Have you ever wished your support team could handle tickets, live chat, AI bots, and analytics all from one clean dashboard? Zendesk might just be the platform you've been looking for.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi everyone and welcome back to the Best Reviews YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Zendesk, a customer support solution that's been around for a while and has grown into something special. If you're looking for a way to manage customer support across multiple channels with AI-powered features like ticketing, automation, live chat, and detailed analytics, this might be the software for you. In this video, we'll walk through what Zendesk offers, how it works, its standout features, and what kind of support and pricing you can expect. But before we start, here's a quick reminder to check out our full written review for the latest updates at bestreviews.net. Zendesk is designed to simplify customer support by bringing all your communication channels into one place. We're speaking about email, live chat, social media, and voice. When we first tried it, we were struck by how intuitive the platform feels, despite offering a huge range of features. The agent dashboard is clean and easy to navigate with filters for ticket status and channel. Setting up took some time, but Zendesk made it easier by breaking down the tools into separate dashboards and offering a built-in setup guide. It was generally a smooth experience, even though it felt a bit overwhelming at times with so many options. Once set up, we found that ticket management is efficient and being able to assign, update and track tickets in one place was a game changer. There's also a mobile app for managing tickets on the go, though it doesn't cover the full range of features available. We would also have liked the desktop app, but the browser-based platform gets the job done. When it comes to features, Zendesk really shines. The ticket system pulls everything from emails to live chats into a single agent workspace, making it easier to respond to customer issues. The automation tools like intelligent routing and macros help ensure that tickets are handled efficiently and consistently. You can even set custom triggers to prioritize tickets, meet SLAs, and send out a response, which helps keep things running smoothly. The Help Center functionality is another highlight. With Zendesk Knowledge and Zendesk Gather, you can create and organize knowledge bases and community forums. It supports multimedia content, comments, and multilingual options, and it's easy to brand and customize. The AI-driven search is a standout feature here, offering relevant suggestions just like a Google search. Live chat is comprehensive with support for WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and proactive messaging triggered by user behavior. Better yet, AI agents can handle complex queries 24/7, with the company saying that they can automate more than 80% of interactions. Then there's Zendesk Copilot, which assists support agents with generative AI suggestions in real time, allowing them to respond faster and better. Zendesk's analytic platform, Explore, provides real-time insights and customizable reports without requiring technical skills. It helps managers identify bottlenecks and optimize workflows. The reports are easy to export and share, and live data tracking is a bonus for business teams. And with over 1,900 integrations including tools like Slack, Salesforce, and OpenAI, Zendesk is versatile and flexible. It's one of the few platforms that balance advanced functionality with an interface that doesn't overwhelm users. But Zendesk has other aces up its sleeve. Its AI-powered workforce management is the perfect addition to manage agents and track their performance. Meanwhile, Zendesk EA also uses AI to help you maintain high-quality customer experience across all interactions. Zendesk pricing starts at an accessible entry point and scales up depending on the features you need. One thing to note is that while there's no free version, all plans include a 14-day free trial, and you can even extend it for another 14 days from your account settings. Annual billing offers a 23% discount, which is worth considering if you're planning to commit long-term. Beyond the base plan, Zendesk offers several add-ons like advanced data privacy, AI-powered agent assistance, and built-in content center solutions. We recommend checking our written review for the latest deals and pricing updates, since we've got a detailed breakdown of each plan there and promotions are always changing. You'd expect great support from a customer service company, and Zendesk delivers in most areas. There's 24/7 live chat through an AI agent, though human support is limited to business hours, and phone support is available during Easter time business hours. Their knowledge base is thorough and intuitive, and the community forum is a good resource. That said, we'd have liked to see an option for 24/7 live human support or direct email support, especially for more complex issues. Zendesk has a lot to offer, from advanced automation and an easy-to-use ticketing system to a comprehensive knowledge base and solid analytics. It's customizable, integrates with a wide range of tools, and balances powerful features with a clean interface that doesn't feel overwhelming. While it doesn't offer a free plan and human support isn't available 24/7, the software makes up for it with an extensive free trial, helpful AI agents, and competitive pricing. We're especially impressed by how well it handles both sales and support through its integration with Zendesk Sell. If you're looking for a flexible, scalable customer support platform that can grow with your business, Zendesk is worth considering. For a detailed breakdown of features, pricing, and deals, check out our full review on bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!